sounds.
A bit more, and a bit more. Your job going right up in the middle. Come on, right over. Not quite there. What about that, folks? Wonderful. Yeah. Back down. Position, and we're going to go right up in there this time. Here we go up and up and higher, right up as far as we can. The drivers in there can see absolutely nothing but the sky. They're just going on reaction and listen to the radio. Charlie's moving in now. He's going to go round underneath all four. Nope, he is anyway. And again. One more. What about that? Well done, Charlie. Driving and the little one. They're driving right through in between. Now, we did something new at Belfast Steam a couple of weeks ago, and we improved on it yesterday where we took steam engines straight underneath. So a little bit later on today, we're going to do that again. We're going to take steam engines right underneath these JCBs. So if you're at the end of the arena, just watch for that tunnel start to appear. As I said, the position is very critical because if they're not right, we don't get clearance. Did you notice the slip? One booking slipped quite badly then, but we've corrected it. The brakes are going up. Give him a bit more clearance. We're going to four-wheel drive. Stop coming through first. Stop. Yeah, good, no action. Which makes it go driving through. So it's pretty much a watching. Then he's fine. So look at that looking, slightly blocking his view. Drop the back axle down a little bit. What about that? Well done, John. Now just going to show you that he's got the blue. We're going to do it again. James round and Charlie goes through. John's going back through a little bit on the angle to start with. Well, there he goes again, look. Totally blind with that looking in front of him. Just look at that. Wonderful bit of driving. Well done, what about that? Tremendous. Now we start to come back down. We're just clearing the arena at the same time. Everything's bang on, dead straight line. Now we can't keep these machines up in the air too long, so we'll be waiting right until we're ready to go. So you can see Dave Crampton's lovely engine getting ready to come in line. Dave Cope's still over the far end of the arena. He's charging his way through now. Quite a quick little engine is this Lord Doverdale, this lovely little Tiger tractor. And I think we'll be waiting for Gooley to come through. Where's the boiler suit? Where's the boiler suit? In what? I thought they were jeans. Incognito. Not very good.
Well, I've never seen a digger do that.
Well, there we are, folks. We're right up in the air. Taking the legs in. And we're off. Lovely advanced roller Chichester is on the way. And I'm sure they'll blow the whistle while they're halfway through and cover the lads with steam and smoke. Mr. Cope's going for a runabout. They're going to have a run at it. You're going to try and jump them? I'm going to try and go, oh, Mr. Cope will do anything. So here we are. Now young Tom's going to get a first face full. Well done, Tom. And here we go. Tried the lowest engine first. What about that, folks? Steaming away.